Hi there, I'm Carrie Quimby, registered dietitian nutritionist at Brattleboro Memorial Hospital. Welcome to our second Rise Vermont Dinner Together cooking demo. Last time I showed you how to make a chickpea hummus. If you've used that recipe, you now have a jar of tahini. What else might you do with this? Well, how about a tahini lime dressing? It's really easy, two main ingredients, the tahini and some fresh lime. So I have got the juice and the zest of a lime. Remember my tip from before, give that citrus a good roll on the table to free up the juice. Use a microplane or the fine grater on your box grater to get that just outer coating of rind for some nice zest flavor. I like to use the little squeezy guy for the juice, gets most every drop out. And to that, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of the tahini. Give it a good stir first. It does like to separate out in the fridge. I've got just a dash of salt to meld the flavors together. And then I've got some water, anywhere from 1/4 cup or more, depending on the consistency of the tahini that you're starting with. Give it a good whisk till it's all blended and smooth. And that is it. Very simple, like I said. Now, you can certainly vary the flavor with some seasoning. For sweetness, a dab of honey or maple syrup or brown sugar. Cumin would be good on this. We use cumin in our chickpea hummus. Cumin is used in several of our recipes on our website for dinner together. Chili powder, some smoked paprika. If you like spicy hot, you can add some heat with sriracha or red pepper flakes. Low sodium soy sauce instead of the salt would be a nice addition. Fresh ginger, garlic, cilantro would all make this even more wonderful than it is. So this is a great dressing for salad. It's also nice on grilled vegetables, with roasted potatoes, with protein foods like chicken, pork, tofu, and as a dip. Kids love to dip things, and it's a fun way for all of us to enjoy vegetables. In our summer harvest seasoning program, we have recipes and packets for easy ranch dip and Italian dressing on our website. So presentation will help us get kids to enjoy vegetables, and I have some tips for that. So when your child has a well-liked vegetable, serve it often and serve it in different ways. So I have red pepper here, which is sweet and mild. You can serve it with dip, as a boat, on the side, stars and stripes, in a face, stuffed and whole like an apple. Another tip is when you have a liked vegetable, add an unfamiliar vegetable to it. Small amounts, young children get like a micro portion. Go easy and slow, no new food for at least a week or two, and be patient. It takes weeks, sometimes months for kids and adults to learn to like a new food. If your child has a rule that they don't like foods touching, then use little muffin cups to keep food separated. Have some fun, use a paring knife or little cutters to make fun shapes. Use food picks, maybe find some fun kid-friendly utensils. And finally, following up on our tip number 9 on our website, words matter. Rephrase your encouragement. Instead of saying, eat this, it's good for you, try red foods help you see in the dark, or green foods keep your brain strong. So have some fun with vegetables. See you next time.